All right, tool addicts, hide your wallets. Amazon's hiding some seriously wild gadgets, and today we're hunting them down. Cordless beasts, laser sorcery, gadgets that basically read your mind. If your toolbox feels boring, buckle up. These tools are about to change everything. Let's dive in. Ever stared at a valve like it owes you money? This DURATECH 4-way Sillcock key cracks water, gas, elevator, cabinet valves. Square, triangle, round, any shape. 2 keys, 1 unstoppable toolkit. Chrome tough, rust proof, clips right to your bag. Stop struggling, start unlocking. Cords are so last decade. Meet the Mirka RSB 150NV, a brushless cordless sander that frees you from tangled cables and dirty airlines. No oiling, no hassle. 16 hours of power charges in just 45 minutes. Small, ergonomic, unstoppable, sand smarter, not harder. Forget everything you know about welding. The X1 Pro laser welds underwater, yes really, slices metal, zaps rust, and shrugs off extreme heat and cold like it's nothing. 5 to 8 times faster than TIG or MIG, zero arc flash, epic touchscreen swagger. 6 tools, 1 unstoppable beast. Say goodbye to flimsy tape measures. The STANLEY FATMAX AUTOLOCK laughs at abrasion with its mylar-coated blade, 10 times tougher than lacquered ones. Reverse lock, 3-meter standout, detachable hook. This beast reaches further than your ex's excuses. Comfy grip, belt ready. Measure smarter, flex harder. 1 tool to rule them all. The LAOA Rapid Pipe. Pliers strip, cut, crimp, and even test voltage, beeping to warn you before wires bite back. Laser precise stripping, auto-open spring for lazy hands, rust-proof steel. Ditch the toolbox clutter. This pocket-sized hero does it all. Tired of playing circus acrobat on a ladder? The iTOOLco All-Jack is your invisible third arm, lifting pipes, lights, and cabinets from 58 inches to a jaw-dropping 13 feet 6 inches. Gas shock holds steady while you anchor. No more juggling, just pure installation magic. Cut the cord, keep the power. The Milwaukee Cordless Belt. Sander swings 8A corded muscle without the leash. Red Link. Intelligence guards against overload and overheating. Variable speed dial gives you total control. Tool-free belt swaps mean zero downtime. Sanding just got seriously savage. Threads gone wrong? Not on your watch. The drill. Mirka Tap and Die set arms you with 3 to 12 mm HSS taps and hex dies, tough enough to rethread or cut brand new threads like a champ. Snug plastic case keeps it organized. Precision threading, zero drama. Eyes everywhere, literally. The Teslong triple lens camera packs 3 cameras into 1 probe for a jaw-dropping 234-degree view. Crisp 5-inch screen, 32 GB storage, no Wi-Fi needed. Waterproof, bendy, nosy in the best way. Perfect for spying on pipes, walls, and mystery clogs. Wires trembling in fear. The Knoweasy 8-inch wire stripper self-adjusts to 10 to 24 AWG wires instantly. No fiddly settings needed. Strip, crimp, and cut like a triple threat. Comfy TPR handle included. Perfect for home fixes, appliances, and yes, even the kids' electrical toys. Corded saws? Eat your heart out. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Jigsaw rips through 3,500 strokes per minute, outcutting corded rivals with zero chipping. LED light. Toolless blade swap, 105 feet of particle board per charge. Beast mode. Activated. Cords need not apply. Say bye to hand cramps forever. The Bielmeier electric staple gun fires up to 50 shots a minute, no squeezing required. Cordless, lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, staples and brad nails in one. 850 staples per charge, triple safety features. Your upholstery projects just got superpowers. Over-tightening nightmares. Be gone. The YIYEIE Digital Torque. Screwdriver beeps and flashes right at your target torque, precision to the max. 46 pieces, 5-unit conversions, 10 presets, LCD display. Gunsmiths and bike nerds, unite. This pocket rocket protects your gear like a bodyguard. Weeds don't stand a chance. This electric thermal weeder blasts heat up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, torching weeds, melting ice, even firing up your BBQ. 5 nozzles, adjustable temperature, 2,000 watts of pure fury. No chemicals, no mercy, just point, blast, and watch your garden thank you instantly. Cardboard never saw it coming. The Fanttik C8. Nano spins at 230 revolutions per minute, slicing through cardboard, carpet, and leather like butter. 3 speeds, 1-hour charge, 40 minutes of non-stop cutting fury. Easyswap blades, LED display, built-in lights for clarity. Precision cutting just got ridiculously satisfying. Turn logs into furniture like a lumberjack wizard. This tenon cutter works like a giant pencil sharpener, carving perfect 1-inch tenons with a sleek radius shoulder. Razor blades last nearly 1,000 cuts. Pair with mortise holes and build epic log furniture, no carpentry degree needed. Painting doors just got a serious upgrade. This hinge stand kit uses your door's own hinges to lock it upright, rigid, and ready for spraying all sides at once. No flipping, no bowing, no warping. Holds up to 24 doors. Painters, your back thanks you already. No power, no problem, all precision. This Guillotine Shear slices through PCBs, aluminum, copper, and plastic with clean burr-free edges. Long arm leverage saves your hands. 11.8-inch scale nails every cut. Safety shield included, because fingers are kind of important. Workshop game, officially leveled up. Light up your workspace like never before. The Sealey LED twist bends 90 degrees and twists a full 360, blasting 1,000 lumens wherever you need it. Magnetic base, swivel hook, hands-free genius. USB-C charging, up to 16 hours runtime. Darkness doesn't stand a chance here. Reach the unreachable finally. The Tite-Reach extension. Wrench stretches 14 inches to save your knuckles from impossible bolts. Die-cast aluminum, roller bearings, handles up to 1,200 foot-pounds on impact. Comes with a 3/8 adapter for flexibility. Mechanics and farmers approved. Your garage just got smarter. Say bye to broken pencil tips. The Ox Construction Pencil rocks a needle nose tip for razor-sharp marking, one-click 2.8mm LED advance, refillable design. Marks wood, steel, concrete, tile, basically everything. Built tough for job sites, precision for pros. Your measuring tape just got a worthy sidekick. Alright, that's a wrap, tool nerds. Which one's earning a spot in your toolbox? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss the next round of wild Amazon finds. Until then, keep building, keep tinkering, and I'll see you next time.